Disney princesses. We here on Saturday, about to go
not walking
to the beach.
Okay, if we're going in the
So we got the golf cart today. But yeah, it's super hot, so we about to head to this beach.
No angel, but you got a halo. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there.
Golf cart passenger princesses.
Feels good. Huh? We gotta get off the hard part. That's heavy. Woo. There we go. This is the soft part right here. Stand right here, Ava. Y'all wanna go where y'all can see the bottom of y'all? See y'all feet? Woo. Come on, this is the soft part. You want something else, you're gonna be uncomfortable. We're just getting in to get some of this coolness, girl. It's so hot. Ava, stop falling everywhere. Come on, be for real. I forgot the dang phone thing.
Why are you walking? Oh, look at that boat.
It's a boat. We over here catching the waves, y'all.
Oh, it's really
Catch the
splash.
waves.
Woo! Woo! Mommy, look at that bird! Ah! Ah! Look at my going around! Woo! Woo! Ah! Another way!
I didn't know that was ice cream man. Look, y'all, it's the ice cream man.
Ice cream man boat.
You want to get some ice cream? I don't know if they take Apple Pay. Okay, Ava, calm down. I don't even know they sell ice cream. Woo! It's security for vets. You want to get some ice cream?
Mommy. Mommy, don't.
Cute, Ava. I'm going to have to try to. I don't know if they take Apple Pay. You guys take Apple Pay? Okay. Take Apple Pay. Okay, good. What kind of ice cream you want? Mimi, what kind of ice cream you
I
want?
want the red one.
You want some ice cream?
Well, ice cream, Mariana.
How you want a great girlie?
Oh, I want that one.
Which one? Number one?
No, I want number.
Your dad may want some.
I want number 3. Yeah! I want number 3.
All right, come stand right here, baby.
Of course.
I don't know what's ice cream, man. That's cute.
Huh?
Stand right here, baby.
I'm literally next.
But I want you to just in case. It's the move, the boat can move.
Yeah.
You don't think about that. You don't know. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, stand back. Here, you want number 3? I have
Number 3.
a number 3 and 2 number 7. Okay, she's standing right here. What kind you want, Mimi? You want the ice cream sandwich?
You want number 3 like
Your
me?
dad coming.
Number 3 like me?
Which one you want?
Number 1.
Okay, so number 1 and number 3, and the 2 ice cream sandwiches fine. Sit back. Actually, get back a little bit. You actually go back a little bit. Yeah. You know what? Y'all had cash yet? Yes. Okay.
Come on. Dog. Who that? Oh, there it is. Oh, never mind. Go ahead. Look.
That's your little friend. You say hi? The little girl right there?
No, she's not my friend.
Where the Is it good? What kind is it?
Yummy ice cream.
I agree with you, Shell.
You ready to turn it up? You always ready to turn it up. God, get crazy. Like y'all even related.
What y'all say?
Thank you.
Yeah, I hope so. So I better not lose, I better not hit no arc. Go ahead. Can you get up there?
Hold on.
I'm gonna name her Flora.
All right, we're gonna see if y'all play.
My little dancing mermaid.
Go ahead, baby.
So I put my arms on your table. Let me treat you right. I wanna love every day and every night. We'll be together. Come on.
All right, go ahead.
Sister
Almost
love.
there, Ava. How far you gonna go with it? Gonna go all the way? Don't put on your face though. Don't get in your eye.
You been on controversial stuff all the
Right, no, it's about my eye burning.
Nah, and they go right there and do it. Like,
My eye burning.
I know that your hair's getting real tight. You know that your hair's getting real tight.
Yes, I do. We're having a good old time, y'all, on the beach.
Oh my god.
Ava, come back, baby. Don't go no further. Come on, come back.
Mommy. Oh my god. Mommy, we need to go in here now. Taking a picture of each other.
It's so nice. We can go so fast. Your dad need to come out here. He don't know. You can go out far with us. Low tides or something? The sun is so pretty out here.
Mommy.
her. Go, girl. You really can swim. You're doing good. You're doing really good. Good job. Okay, just calm. You gotta be calm. You did really good. But I had his wig on. I'll start swimming.
Oh, you still record without wig.
I know. I shouldn't have wore a wig. So, Florida. I want to see the mermaids. Perfect timing. They got a thing that say duty calls.
Duty call.
Yeah, you know the market like. Oh, look, y'all. They got the bike set. That's nice.
See how we can swing.
Like this more give us a little something more to do. Yeah, they got a plan for us to play.
You gonna knock somebody down trying to get it? Oh, yeah, that's nice. A lot of people are here.
A little bit more to do.
Real beach.
Why you don't want to get out here and knock the car?
Okay. Oh, you want us to get out? You gonna wait? You want us to get right here?
I'm going with you guys.
Oh. Okay, y'all. Make a complete stop. Whew. That was an adventure. Whew. Yes. Get out. Get you out of here.
Trying to get it to. Be careful, boo. There you go.
Make it. Okay, good job, Mimi. Got. Okay, so you got on. So hold on, let me get the towels out. All right. Thank you. We're gonna stand right here. I think you should be in park up here somewhere.
I don't think.
Ask somebody. Let me ask. Oh, well, you know, ask somebody. Somebody gotta know.
Drag this.
No park.
I wasn't saying it like that.
I'm trying to help out.
Like this used to be like just floor, but now it's sand.
What's in for? You wanna wait on right here with your dad?
I don't know if, yeah.
Heat it.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Yeah, we're right here now.
Mom, you can play
I
volleyball.
don't have some of that water. It's all gone.
You can do some ice.
Yeah. I'm waiting on your dad.
Mom, this is the real beach. Yeah, this is the real beach.
Most stuff is a
This is definitely the real beach. And there's even a playground. Ava, you want to play? Yeah. And Mom.
Baby, don't put your hand in. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put this up, y'all.
I'm a mermaid. I'm a mermaid.
Water is so
I'm
clear.
a mermaid. No, I am.
No, she's saying she a mermaid.
I'm a mermaid.
Dog, y'all bring your money down. Detroit hustle.
Got her sandals. Go ahead, girly girl. Go ahead, girly girl. Yeah, go, Ava. Yeah.
Ava, don't do it, okay? Okay, Mommy?
Ava, don't do
I
it.
need to be a mermaid. I need to be a mermaid!
Okay, you a mermaid. This one a mermaid, and you what, a chicken? You a chicken? What's that?
I am a golden.
Hey, pretty queen princesses. It has been a long night. We just came from the beach, and now we over here at Publix, as you can see.
And I even got a seashell.
And Ava found a seashell. She had several seashells, but what you do with that seashell, Ava?
I was.
I stand in my hair.
I put it in my shorts, and I took off my shorts at the beach, and
I told her to put
out.
them in the bag, y'all. And this girl then lost her seashells. I
Publix run.
guess tomorrow we gotta go seashell shopping again. Anyway, y'all, it's all pretty down here. I love it.